everyone, welcome back to Ellie Potts Bespoke YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these planner clips. Now these are giant paper clips. You can use them in your planners. My daughter, who has claimed this one, uses it as a bookmark for her reading. They're cute, you can make lots of different designs, and this will just show you the basic way to do it, and then you can go off and attach anything you like to these paper clips. So what I've got today is I've got my 3.5 inch bow template. I've got a 3-inch large paper clip, and this is sort of an iridescent rainbow colour. A pen to draw around the templates, scissors to cut it out, and as I'm making another one for Ellie for her school, I've got 2 fabrics. Now I've got the Ellie in the Rainbow fabric, which is a printed sheet of fabric from Pixie Bow Supplies, and then I've got this matching rainbow coloured glitter. Not sure where that one came from, but you can get glitter fabrics from lots of different places, and we're going to make another one for her. So first of all, I'm going to place the template over the names and try and get it straight. So I've drawn around the bow templates there. I've got the middle and the top in the Ellie fabric and the base in the rainbow glitter fabric. So now what I'm going to do is just cut these out. So here we have all the bow parts cut out. We're just going to stick them together now. They really are simple to make. They look more complicated than they are. You can also buy the paper clips in wider versions, smaller versions. I would say the 3-inch paper clip with this 3.5-inch bow looks really good. If you do get a smaller paper clip than 3 inches, I would use a smaller bow template. The smallest dotty bow that comes in the starter pack would be perfect for a smaller paper clip. And the paper clips that I got, I just bought from eBay. I just searched for extra large paper clip. I'm sure stationery shops and things like that will sell them too. Okay, so there's the basic bow finished. We're not going to put the middle on just yet. What we're going to do is turn the bow over, make sure it's the right way round, obviously, with the name the right way round. And what we're going to do is just put a little bit of glue in there, making sure not to go too wide outside of the edges. I'm going to get the paper clip and just place it in that glue right in the center of the bow, and then just pop a little bit of glue over the top of the paper clip too. Now while that's like that, I'm going to get this center piece and I'm going to wrap it round like that. Now I'm not pushing that down so the glue seeps out, I'm just kind of leaving it there, and we're going to wrap this carefully around the middle, and we're going to cut just there so it overlaps quite a lot, and then we're going to put some glue on there. And push that down. Now what you can do if you're not sure if it's going to stick or not, which it will do, it's fine, but if you want to finish off the back a little bit more, what you can do is then get a felt strip, just a piece of felt, and pop it over there. You could pop it over the paper clip before you wrap the centre round, or you can do it after, but I find that holds just as good. And there you go. It is as simple as that. They look quite complicated to do. It's literally just sticking it on like you would a headband, a clip, anything, just stick it on like that, and that's how they're all finished off on the back. Now what you can do, I mean this fabric's quite stiff so you don't really need to, but what you can do, and I have done on these, is glue the bottom layer loop right up to the edge, just so that that bottom loop doesn't flap down. Didn't do it on this one because it's sort of shiny fabric and it wouldn't stick to it. I have done it on this one as well. Just stuck the loops down just to make them a little bit more solid. I'll show you what I mean on this one. So what we do is just before the crease on here, put a line of glue. Don't flatten it because we want to keep the loops, we don't want to crease them. Do the same on this side. Like so. And then you can do the same with the top loops as well if you like. I'm going to leave this one because they're quite secure, but like I say, they're all stuck down together and it keeps it quite solid and flat. So there's a selection of stationery clips. You can use them on your planners, in your diaries, in reading books, anywhere you like. That's how you attach them. So thank you for watching the tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, if it's helped you out at all. It really is simple. Pop over to Facebook if you have that and join my group. I'll put a link in the description below. Check out Dottie's Pixie.bow supplies for their printed canvas sheets, and they also do lots of other glitters, fabrics, templates, all sorts of things over there. I'll put a link to that in the description too. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.